Hi friends, on behalf of 9th SEM I welcome you all. This is Manish Patnaik, subject matter expert in 9th SEM. As we are talking about the industrial communication protocol and in the last session we discussed about the voltage specification, now we will start discussing from mechanical specification. The mechanical specification of RS232 covers the mechanical interface of the standards, that is 25 pin D-type connector to support the full functionality of RS232. Regarding D-type connectors or type of connectors, you all can go through the electrical design section. वहाँ पर हमने clearly types of connector और connectors का use कैसे करना है सब कुछ डिटेल में बताया है. RS232 determines the communication between the DTE and DCE using DB9 and DB25 connectors. The D sub-connectors, that is DE9 and DB25, comes with a male and female cable. DE9 connectors has 9 pins, whereas DB25 connectors has 25 pins, with each pin having its own functionality. I hope you are going through the previous sessions where we have discussed about the term DTE and DCE. That is, DTE stands for Data Terminal Equipment, which is used to describe the initiator, or we can say like the controller of the serial communication. For example, we can say a computer. Similarly, the term DCE that determines data communications equipment, which describes the devices that is connected to the DTE device. That means a computer, all the devices which are connected to a computer, that we can say as an example like a modem. The following image shows a DB25 connector. The DTE devices uses a female outer casing with male pins, whereas the DCE devices uses a male outer casing with female pins. Like we can see in the image, there are 25 pins, with each pins having its own functionality. Like I have said it earlier. Like pin number 2 and 3, it stands for transmit and receive of data. Pin number 4 and 5, it stands for request to send and clear to send. Similarly, pin number 25 is test mode, whereas pin number 7, 8, 9, each pins are having its own functionality. As we know that the electronic equipment and devices are getting smaller, we do not have room for larger connector like DB25, and most common applications do not require all the 25 pins in the connector. Hence, a reduced function 9-pin connector is used commonly. In industry, if we go and see, most of the applications run in 9-pin connector, because everyone in industry require a compact size of things. So the 9-pin controller is called as DE9. Oftenly, if we Google it, we will find as DB9, which is wrong. This thing we have explained in the design section, so kindly go through design section where you will be finding a clear-cut idea why it is pronounced as DE9. The following image shows the DE9 male and female connectors, and each pins are having its own functionality. Like pin number 1, pin number 2 is for carrier detect and receive data. And if we see the signal direction, which is from a male to a female, we will find a complete detail. You can go through this image. So furthermore, if having any doubt regarding the session, feel free to ask in the comment section. Signing off, have a nice day.